Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw the glitch effect. You may or may not have seen my glitch effect drawings on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and I've been asked a lot to do a tutorial on them. It's actually pretty easy to do and it looks super cool, and after you guys get the hang of it, you can do it on just about anything. Let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a like down below if you enjoyed the video. Step number 1, that is sketching. Get a piece of paper. I'm using mixed media. Start drawing what you want to draw with the glitch effect. Sketching's pretty easy if you're good at art, and if not, you can always trace it. I'm going to be using Posca markers. You can use any other marker, it still will look good. Next step is to outline it in black. You want to make sure to get every single detail and take your time on this because this is what makes it look good. Now we're going to outline everything to the left of the black outline in red, and you want to make sure to get every single detail. Next, we're going to use the blue marker, and we're going to be doing the same thing with the red, but on the right side of the black. Next, you want to go over the black outline again to make sure that cover the spots that you went over with the blue and red. Now you want to grab a ruler and draw your horizontal lines. You want red ones coming from the left and blue ones coming from the right. And for the last step, you want to grab your white Posca marker and you want to cover a couple of random areas to get the glitch effect. That's how you guys do the glitch effect. If this video was helpful at all, make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like down below. If you guys have any questions about the glitch effect, make sure to leave a comment down below. Guys, we just hit 6,000 subscribers, so thank you guys for that. We are only 4,000 away from 10K, so hopefully we can reach 10K soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.